Hello friends, welcome to Mechatheart. In this Fusion 360 tutorial we will learn how we can repeat using a tool. Here you can see I have three figures on a single sketch plane. I want to extrude them to different heights. So I'm selecting only one shape at a time. Now I cannot see the sketch anymore. I'm going to the browser box, clicking on the bulb and making it visible. You can get it under the sketches. So now the sketch is visible. Now I'm right clicking on the profile and clicking on the repeat extrude option. So here now I can enter the desired height. You can see it again, right click, repeat extrude. Let us see another example. Here I am hiding the sketch again. I'm going to take fillet option. Now I'm going for fillet and I'm selecting an edge. I'm entering the desired radius. Now for the other edges I can just right click and use repeat command option. In fact, for extrude and fillet, using E and F on keyboard might save more time, but repeat command holds good for all the commands. Thank you for watching.